Hi, this is Haley from Port7, and here's my turn-in video for this week. So what I have done this week is I went into Substance Painter and I added materials as needed after baking some maps onto it and adjusting them in any way seemed necessary. And then I saved out the materials and exported them into Maya, back into Maya. And then I used the hypershade to adjust them again as needed for the final render. So, and I think this is the coat material, so you can even see right here the lines on it. I don't understand why it's so dark. And here is the final render. Now I will say I had a few problems with this render. All with the materials out of Substance Painter. One to do with Maya, and the other just Substance Painter, I guess. Maybe. But her skin is a little glowy because it's a leather material that I thought might work instead of a skin material, because I could not use skin material. If I go into Substance Painter, I could not download these. So I had that problem. So I went into free and I got a leather one somewhere in here instead and worked with it to make it look like skin, and it kind of worked at first, but the final render came out very glowy, like reflective. So I had that problem. And I'll download the material offline if I can to fix that. Another issue is her leggings. I used a fabric material, like an elastic type material. Actually, this material is what I used, and that all turned out fine. I adjusted the color and the material just a little bit to tweak it, and then I brought it over into Hypershade. And for some reason, I did everything the exact same as all the others that deemed necessary. And I didn't do a thank you. I did everything the exact same, but for some reason the color's not showing up properly. It's showing up gray instead of like a dark blackish color. Not like entirely black, but it's just showing up gray. And her boots, I want to be able to separate the geometry in one-on-one geometry, but I went about that a couple ways and it wouldn't let me do it, other than separate the boots as individual boots instead of actually split the geometry in half itself, so I can get the little actual shoe part a leathery material like I went ahead and added anyway. Go pull up. And then I made a material for the leg warmings to kind of match the coat, a little different. This material is what I made, and to kind of match my reference, but back in Maya I couldn't separate it, so right now it's just the leather material. But that is what I have, that is what I've gone through, and that is what I need to do in the next couple days for the final once and for all model and render, at least for this class. So there you have it, and